Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit different than what I was hoping for. This holiday season is flying by, and with Christmas right around the corner, I wanted to get these printable labels out to all my subscribers. I'll be using these labels to make homemade gift baskets for all my friends and neighbors. The link for these labels can be found in the description box below. There, you will also find 3 tried and true recipes for candied almonds, homemade bread, and a simple 3-ingredient jam. Quick note, I love this bread recipe because it makes 2 loaves. Whenever I make it, I love to turn one of the loaves into cinnamon bread. After that first rise and you've divided the dough, gently stretch the one for cinnamon bread into a large rectangle, approximately 12 by 17 inches. I lightly roll the dough to ensure it's even. Spread the cinnamon filling over the dough, leaving a small border. Roll the dough and fold the ends to form a loaf shape. Place your dough into the loaf pan. I like to use parchment paper when baking. Let your dough rise and bake as the recipe instructs. Also, this jam recipe, it calls for frozen berries. It's so simple and easy, I've quit buying store-bought jam. This recipe calls for 1.5 cups, but I've been able to get away with just 1 cup of sugar. Like I always say, be sure to taste. I always have the best luck with berries as opposed to peaches or other fruits with this recipe. I think that's because there is naturally more pectin in berries, which is the thickening agent. I also like to take my stick blender to this at the end because my family prefers a smoother consistency. Once you think your jam is done, you can take a spoon that's been sitting in ice water to check the consistency. I won't be canning this for my gift baskets. I'll just pull what I need from the fridge when it's time to deliver my baskets. Okay guys, that's all I've got for you. I just want to give a big thank you to all my subscribers. I cannot believe how this channel has grown since my first video in August. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. I have some exciting things to come in the new year, including full printable meal plans and grocery lists. So if you haven't already, please tap on that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And from our family to yours, Merry Christmas.